Hi, my name's Craig with Equilibrium Digital, and in today's video I'm going to go over 3 things that you could start doing to impact your business positively for free. Now most likely you're sitting there asking what's in it for me and why would I be doing this? Well, the simple answer is that oftentimes in the world of the internet, a lot of business owners are just too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is that they're not really sure who an expert is and who isn't. Well, I found that by giving people a plan of things that they could do for free to actually impact their business has resulted in some of those local business owners raising their hand and putting their trust in me. So if by the end of this video you've liked what you've heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve and I have strategies that can help your business grow, then shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free attack plan I give you today and do it all yourself, that works for me too. So now let me get into the 3 things that'll set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time. So the first thing I'm going to go over is content. So firstly, I just want to show you that I typed in just Foundation Repair Milwaukee and your number 1 competitor is McCoy Contractors in the organic listing. Now why I wanted to bring that up is I'm going to compare you. First, we'll look at you, Rion. This is your Call Rion Squarespace. And what we want to look at here is that you only have 491 words on your homepage. Now, Google has released that when their algorithms are scrubbing the pages that they look for a minimum of 1,500 words to be completely optimized with their platform. So you guys are about 1,000 words shy. But there's more to it than that. If you remember when I looked at Google, I looked up Foundation Repair Milwaukee. So the way their algorithms work is when you type something into Google and hit enter, it scrubs all the millions of pages on Google to try and find the best suited match. That's going to be where your keywords come in. As we can see, you have waterproofing, Rion, basement, contact, repair. You have Rion Waterproofing, basement, waterproofing. Now let's look at your competition. They have almost 1,300 words, so they're still shy of that 1,500 word optimization minimum, but they have foundation, repair, basement, basement waterproof, Milwaukee Foundation repair. So as you can see, this is one of the reasons they're at the top. So your content needs to be not only quantity, but quality. The second thing I'm going to discuss are citations. Now if we go back here, we can see this is the Google Map Pack. Now to be at the top of this is going to be strongly variable, but 2 things play the biggest role. Reviews and citations. So what I'm going to talk about is citations. So if we run accurate basement repair in a search tool called Whitespark, we can see that they have 56 citation sources that they could find. Now what a citation source is, simply put, is it's anywhere you put your NAPs, which is your name, address, phone number. And you put it word for word into directories, such as we can see, BBB, MapQuest, you have Yext, Yellow Book, White Pages, the list goes on and on. Now I always have my personal clients that I have about 200 to 300 of those to just destroy their competition. Seeing that the top competitor only has 56, you wouldn't even need that many, just probably about 100 to beat them out. Now the next thing I'm going to talk about is the most important thing when we talk about the organic listing here, and that's going to be backlinks. So let's take a look at your website. I pulled you into a tool called Ahrefs, and we can see here that you have no SEO, like none going on. So let's look at your competitor. They have 1.8 or almost 1.9 thousand backlinks with 200 referring domains, 609 words of organic traffic. That's pretty good. And we can see that their growth has got them to about 408 clicks a month. Now, that's pretty good. That means they're having 408 visitors on their website every month. It's just free money left on the table if you're not drawing in even a percentage of those. So you can see it's important. But what are backlinks? Well, backlinks are simply website links from one website to your website. So the way it works is like this. Site A is pointing to Site B. Therefore, Site A is providing link juice, which gives Site B more authority. It's almost like a popularity contest. And the higher quality backlinks, so the more relevant they are to your website, the better they'll do. Now in closing, we discussed 3 things today. We discussed content, how you want to have 1,500 words on this homepage. Secondly, we discussed citations, and how you get to the top of this map pack is by having more citations than your competitor. I always recommend about 200. Thirdly, we discussed link juice, and how you want to have the most relevant site pointing at you, showing Google you're the authority. Now, if you implement these strategies today, you could be number 1 across Google in no time. So what now? Well, you can either take the information I provided you today and do this all on your own. and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 813-515-3488. Once again, my name's Craig, and my number is 813-515-3488. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.